Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $291 plus in PayPal money easily. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel. And it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which will happen any day now. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at this website. Name of this website is User Interviews. Now, what you're going to be doing on this website is share your opinions, get paid. It's that easy. So earn money for your feedback on real products with over 2,000 studies launching monthly. Your opinions are in high demand. You just click right here to sign up. So getting started as a participant is simple and fast. So number one, you're going to create a profile. So you're going to build your personal profile and start browsing studies to find those that interest you. And then number two, you're going to apply to studies. So apply to studies by answering a few questions researchers will use to find their ideal participants. Many applications can be complete in under a minute. And number three, show up and get paid. Once approved, sign up for a session time that works for you. Complete the session and get paid within a few days. Wow, guys, that is very fast. You get paid in a few days. How about that? Now, this is what people are saying on this website, guys. So, this person right here named Tiffany said, I started participating in user interviews to earn extra income to do fun activities and vacation with my family. Over time, I found that I really enjoy giving feedback, and it's easy to talk about topics that are a part of my everyday life. I am so grateful I found user interviews. So Tiffany, she is very, very thankful for finding this website and getting paid just giving her feedback. Now guys, they make it easy and worthwhile to participate in user research. So they have 30,000 participants paid in the last year. We deliver relevant studies straight to your inbox. Over 2,000 studies launch every month. And check this out, guys. The average study pays over $50. That's a nice chunk of change, guys, for just giving you feedback. So, guys, you're going to be sharing your opinions with top brands like Spotify, Pinterest, CNN, and Amazon. Now, are you curious? Find the type of study that works for you. So Here's one study, online tests and surveys, 10 minutes to several hours, $20 to $300 plus dollars that you can make. On this one, online interviews is 30 minutes to 2 hours and $20 to $300 plus you can make. And this one right here, 3 days, several weeks. You can make up to $400 on this one. But you know, you probably don't want to be on it for 3 days trying to do a study. But if you want to, you can. And here's one online focus group. Only it takes an hour. You can make $40 to $200. And here's online studies. You can make $20 to $1,500 in 30 minutes or up to several days. So if you want to make that $1,500, it's gonna take several days for you to do it, guys. Okay, guys, check this out. I'm going ahead and show you some of the studies. So here's one study right here, nationwide Zoom focus group on health and wellness, $125. Only takes 2 hours. Here's another one, social media study, $125 in 1 hour. And here's one right here. Are you a real estate agent? We are looking for feedback on a new referral service launching in your area. They're paying $50 for 30 minutes. And here's one paying $175 for an hour. Healthcare provider study. And as you can see, a lot of them are 175, guys. Some of them are 75. Some of them are 100. And the ones that you are doing for an hour to make $175, then you can do another one and get paid $75 for 1 hour. Boom, you're already over $200 and something. So guys, this is one of the best websites you can get started to just give your feedback and make money from. So go ahead and go to user interviews today and get started. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 30 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody out can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I make videos like this every other day and I don't want you to miss out. Okay guys, one last thing I want to do before I end this video. I like to do shout outs, and the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Keep checking out my videos. If you're sharing my videos, keep sharing and keep hitting that like button. Okay guys, that's it. Road to 7,000. It's coming soon, guys. Let's get there. Let's get there. All right. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these very, very important videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.